Hyperpigmentation is a harmless skin condition in which patches of skin becomes darker in color than the normal surrounding skin. A common cause of hyperpigmentation is an excess production of melanin. Melanin is a natural pigment that gives color to our skin. Hyperpigmentation, age spots, acne, scarring, and freckles are all signs of melanin coming to the surface of damaged skin. Hyperpigmentation is normal, but there are things you can do to achieve a more even skin tone. Sometimes certain home remedies may help relieve hyperpigmentation, but they may not work in every case. Even better, there are some foods which can achieve a more even skin tone, as these foods have been shown to have a protective effect on the skin which can help prevent hyperpigmentation. Alongside a healthy and varied diet, you could consider taking supplements to strengthen the skin from within. Foods that fight hyperpigmentation. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in multiple nutrients such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and fiber. The best citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruit, and lemon, are all packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, which helps destroy free radicals in our body. Vitamin C is essential for the regeneration of skin cells, giving you a youthful glow. Fresh lemon juice could also be applied topically to your skin as a natural exfoliant to help remove discolored skin cells and giving an overall brightening effect. But be careful not to apply lemon juice if you are going out in the sun. It may cause burning or severe skin irritation. Pomegranate. One of the most important foods to combat sun damage is pomegranate, which contain polyphenols. Pomegranates can have 3 times more antioxidants than green tea. They are rich in vitamin C and wonderful source of antioxidants which protect cells from damage, prevent diseases, help fight wrinkles and the effects of aging. Tomatoes are good sources of selenium, an antioxidant that protects the skin against sun damage, can clear up age spots, and may help prevent discoloration. Protein foods. Lean meats such as beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish and seafood, fish, prawns, crab, lobster, oysters, eggs and dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese. Salmon. Salmon is a great source of antioxidants, high quality protein, and B vitamins. Salmon is packed with healthy omega 3 fatty acids, which has been shown to promote supple skin, reduce inflammation, and lower skin sensitivity to harmful UV rays. Avocado. Avocados are full of healthy fats and antioxidants which protect the skin from premature aging and sun damage. Avocados are high in beneficial fats which will help improve our skin as they improve skin elasticity and contain vitamins E and C which are vital to support healthy skin and prevent it from free radical activity. They are rich in copper which helps repair collagen. There are also high levels of beta carotene in avocados. This helps protect the skin from various damaging effects of the sun. The antioxidants and minerals present in avocado are known to remove dead skin cells, exfoliate the skin from within. Berries are loaded with antioxidants which help keep free radicals under control. They are typically high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidant polyphenols. Examples of berries are goji berry, raspberry, strawberry, sugarberry, cranberry, blueberry, gooseberries, etc. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and vitamin C which help restore and give life back to damaged collagen and help your skin maintain its glow. Carrot and other red colored foods like tomatoes, papaya and oranges contain carotenoids which help reduce oxidative stress and minimize DNA damage. Sweet potatoes are sweet, starchy root vegetables. Come in a variety of sizes and colors including orange, white and purple. Sweet potatoes are incredibly high in vitamin A and C and are a great source of fiber, vitamins and minerals. Papaya contain a digestive enzyme called papain which exfoliates dead skin cells and hydrates skin, unclog pores, fade acne scars. Its vitamins and minerals improve skin elasticity and can help prevent the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Green leafy vegetables are superfoods high in fiber, all kinds of vitamins, minerals, and low in calories. Leafy greens are great for most people. Eat a mixture of both raw and cooked leafy greens, the more the better. These foods are a great source of antioxidants and anti inflammatory. Dark green veggies contain carotenoids which help filter UV radiation and reduce oxidative stress in the skin. Caution: many green leafy vegetables are high in vitamin K. Too much of it can lessen a blood thinner's effect. You might need to limit spinach if you have a history of kidney stones. If you take a blood thinning drug, check with your doctor before you put them on the menu. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water, which helps in detoxifying the body. Take coconut water daily. It replenishes the skin and fights hyperpigmentation. Almonds. Nuts and seeds are packed with anti inflammatory properties that can help reduce pigmentation in the skin. Almonds are especially good for skin as they are filled with magnesium, omega 3 fatty acids, and vitamin E, which help to reduce stress hormones that often cause breakouts. Dry fruits should be eaten in moderation as they are nutrient dense in sugars too and thus calories. Chia seeds and flax seeds are good sources of fiber and cell protecting antioxidants. They are loaded with omega 3 fats along with a number of other nutrients that fight aging and keep skin radiant and hydrated, thus protects the skin from free radicals and UV rays. Some of the other super healthy seeds you should eat are hemp seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Thank you.